Hello guys, this is PC Mac Architect. So today's video it will be the unboxing of the new Wi-Fi iPad 32 gigabyte. So let's open first the box. And here you are, the new iPad. I believe it has a display of 9.7 inch display. It's about 24 centimeters length with a width of 19 centimeters, but it's not that really that heavy. It's about 0.68 kilogram. See here the manuals. With some Apple stickers. Serial number, and this is the Apple data transfer cable, a USB. And this is the wall charger. So thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.